Hi, welcome back. Three strategies. Future of SAP after 2027 in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Any consultants or students for job market? Because one of my student actually asked this question. I would like to, clear all doubts who would like to see future, and it is useful for current consultants because a lot of propaganda is going outside of the market. ECC is going to separate the market after 2027. Okay, let me explain the facts actually. So when S4 HANA came, like around 1511 2015 11 means November month, everyone think that, oh, ECC gone, that gone, this gone, that is done. 2015. Now where we are now, 2023. I am only see, I have seen the practically the scenario how it is the spreading the news. Of course, HANA is moving market, no doubt, for ERP in SAP, but ECC is not dead champ in the market till now. Okay, so because my last project also ECC, and way back to before that I have asked for a HANA project, and before that the project where I worked for support around 4 years, around 2018, 19, 20 ECC support project only. Okay, I don't want to talk about the clients actually, it's not required actually. So what is the future of SAP? Let's see these strategies. Okay, so like what happens in 2027, they would like to give the support till 2027 ECC support from SAP side. Okay, so like they announced that all clients, it is better to use tailor-made new S4 HANA solution. It depends on the client, either it might be on premises, means directly how you are using in ECC, or else in cloud platform, data will be stored in the cloud. Okay, as for any one of the platform, you can able to use it. Okay, so they are suggesting, they are increasing the current existing SAP business clients better to migrate S4 HANA. You will have the speed and advantages what you have in S4 HANA. That's what they're telling. That is only, I'm telling you, my friend, that is only just only 20%. Okay, especially for bigger clients. Currently, whoever they're in ECC 6.0 and above, they are happy with ECC. Okay, what is the strategy? For companies, we will discuss about later. Let's try to understand. After 2027, what will happen? Nothing will happen till 2030. Now we are now in 2023 mid. So then 2024, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You have a 7 years. Suppose you started career 7 years. 7 years by the time your lead or manager, who knows, 7 years, 2027. Okay, assume you started in ECC now. Okay, assume that you will get in this 7 years at least 1 or 2 projects on S4 HANA. Suppose you are a lazy person, you're a late age came, or else you're cunning to learning, or else you got a job. Such kind of guys also have some suggestion actually. Stay in the same company. Who needs ECC support? See, implementation is different and support is different. Okay, if you would like to see, it's for genuine people also. So they don't want to learn S4 HANA, they would like to continue with ECC. Just try to understand, and blogs in my courses, S4 few courses available at my end. Okay, so let me try to show you this one in SAP. So give me a moment, please. So the ECC screen, what you are watching, it is not going to die that much easily. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is, so I want to show you is here. So don't worry, it's just you can learn comfortably. If you want to learn SD, this is the course. And S4 HANA, you try this course, S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partner. At least listen actually. If you are from ECC background also, no problem. This is the course. If you don't have system practice also, you try to listen this course. Here I explain 3 scenarios. Major changes master data. There is no big changes. hardly you will find like 7 to 10% changes for SD. 90% how you learned in the ECC same will be there in S4 HANA. So no problem. If you have a mentor, they can guide you. You can easily work in S4 HANA. Don't panic yourself for S4 HANA. It is just a flavor of the cream on the big 10 kg cake. Suppose you are eating 10 kg cake ECC, on that cream, you can change it. You want to keep it as for HANA, you want to keep something else. Okay. So 10% obvious, good changes are there, 10% change. This is one of the CV integration. If you want, you can learn this. And if you come back to here, and all these are the real-time courses, you better go through it. I need not explain. If you go through my all videos, you'll come to know this is one course. And intercompany sales by using BP partners, I have given a clear explanation. Don't worry about rating, some edits will be there, I don't care. So like you just go through it. Consignment sales, no change. I'm telling you here only. Consignment sales, whatever we have seen in ECC, in the similar way we have seen, there is no much changes. All business processes are the same. Few changes are there, like master data and output determination, and the major change, your ECC credit management settings move to FSCM. This also you try it better. SD consultants will enjoy it, and so many FA consultants are joining surprisingly. That is also one different thing. Just you try all my courses. So if you look at here, I'll suggest one more course. Probably it is there in the second page for S4 HANA. Okay. So like stock transfers, this is also one important thing. You can learn this. This is one of my top course. You can try this if you want to learn S4 HANA. Okay. S4 HANA sales and distribution business process. There is no difference. You go through this business processes. Okay. Similar, like your free of charge is same, rush order is same, and cash sales is same. Only BP partner you should do, CV integration you should know. See, your ECC is not going to die for the consultants who would like to continue in future. Currently on ECC, and in future they would like to work on S4 HANA. It's not a big deal. It's not even like 1%. If you, I'm telling you, my friend, if you work one day, if you are clever, if you are not clever, work for 1 week. S4 HANA is just like a cake if you know ECC. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Okay, if you want, you can try all these courses. So what is my suggestion? Suppose if you are there in ECC, so it's an opportunity, right? It's always drives after 2027. So what happens? SAP wanted to start support till 2027. Still you have how many years? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 4 years, 27. After that, the current companies, see, it's a cost effective, right? They don't want to spend more price. So then they would like to continue in ECC till 2030 will be there. If they really they want it, they will extend further license. If suppose customers are paying money, we wanted to use ECC only. You just wanted to support with SAP nodes and whatever the stuff we have on the current live system. So suddenly suppose one ECC system is there. If you take the big project, it takes to set up the system 7 to 10 years. After suddenly you want S4 HANA means it's difficult for them. So they don't want to take a risk because it's a business, tailor-made business up and running systems. Suddenly suppose if you take a Walmart kind of retail systems, of course, he's there, they are already there in S4 HANA. Assume that such kind of one client is there. Their revenues are marginal, but the system should run up and run. Suddenly they want it, it's very difficult for them. Of course, they have a solutions. SAP is very clever to pull the market. That is a different story. So there is no problem for ERP. Okay, you stay back, you follow these suggestions. No issues if you learn only minor changes. That's what I explained you. Scope is there till 2030. In the meanwhile, you have a 7 years of a gap so that you'll try to update a little changes. Rest is ECC is the carbon copy when it comes to, especially I have seen SD and MM purchase side and sales side. What are the processes? Carbon copy of your S4 HANA system only. Only few changes are there. One Fury tiles will be there. Front end Fury client want it, they want it, or else any other browser they can use it like a web experience. Okay, so I already explained about in my previous videos about what is the Fury, and when you talks about like backend, whatever you are using, most of the transactions got absolute. Learn S4 HANA to mitigate future problems. Okay, so this is for learning, and let's try to understand. See, these are the three strategies they're following. Current business now, further in ECC. If they wanted to maintain after 2027, they can maintain it. They can continue by taking the support. That is one thing, because this is for business. The green ones is business. This is for future aspirants. Okay. If they wanted to modernize means completely they will scrap ECC system and greenfield implementation. They can able to try it and move on. If they don't want SAP at all, they can move on to another software itself. Okay, so these are the things you follow it. Don't fear about your careers. 2023 is bit dull. The market in second half little open for SAP ECC and S4 and also now see so like the market is going now. Okay, no issues. So like market is open, don't worry. But 2024 might be dull or else it might be uplift. Okay, but learning is your concentration. If you want one job, then just fight for it. Don't think about markets and all this stuff. Probably I will tell you about what kind of layoffs happened in 2023 and what is the impact to reduce your fear. Don't think about anything, just do practice and try to equip with real-time knowledge. In my courses have explained, try to get onto that and just wait for your time and crack interview. Okay, I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.